make a direction on the channel to the Xinjiang mountain.
Oh.
So this one and then and this one by one. So this project called Deepwell. You see, nearer to the Xinjiang mountain, the well is much deeper. The deepest one nearly 100 meters. So the totally the longest and the channel is nearly the longest one is 25 kilometers.
25 kilometers.
That's from the Xinjiang mountain. That is a big project well, and we call it the underground Great Wall. Yeah.
The underground Great Wall.
A lot of holes, one by one. We water from there.
Oh, it's underground.
Yeah, underground channel.
火焰山
就是
Flaming Mountain.
this afternoon.
Ah, yeah.
Jadi tanya ini kita di dalam nih.
Oh,
Kita kerja ini. Oh, udah kan? Ada orang kerja kan?
Yeah.
Jadi tanya ini kali.
Eric, this one, right?
Ya.
Yeah, you just do this one, dig the underground direction. So you see the real one, the underground channel is very low and they also square like that. So this is also a very dangerous project for this.
Oh
So
iya.
they all
So many people there.
prepare the married mine.
How many people die?
A lot of people, I don't know. They didn't give the exact number. can see there's nothing starlight on board.
这个安全水，明确的水源从那个安全水你看。哇，好冰凉。
哦，凉啊！
是吧？咱们往这边看一看，现在就到龙口嘛，每一条坎儿都有它的龙口，最前的就是它安全密集的交接处是龙口，龙口里面你看全是安全，龙口里面全是明确。那你看这安全里面它没有任何的组织码，直接挖出来就可以了，这就是吐鲁番特有的组织码，钙质粘性维持它嘛。你看全是黄土啊，再往里面挖也是黄土。那这个空间为什么做这么大？因为从这儿开始挖安全，它这个喇叭呀特别大，一直往里面涌不了。其实世界龙口这么大，你看这两个也不在方方向向。毕竟这条坎儿有400斤重，一米多长，而且这个龙口里面很多的是生产水，特别是梅子啊，龙口里面。
Deepwell, right? Going down.
Yeah. This is the one we just walked by.
Ah.
You know, underground there's the channel, the well, what is the well? We pass through. Then we back and so they all used by the mayhem and by some animals to happen. Yeah, so to lift the ground out of it. And they will
Oh.
put the ground around it to avoid the dirty water inside.
Oh.
Avoid the little boy or animals falling down.
Okay.
They just put the ground around it to
yeah.
protect it.
Yes. So this is below the sand.
Yeah.
How many meters?
How many meters? The deepest one is nearly 100 meters.
100. Wow.
Yeah, the deepest one. Very near the mountain.
Yang lama ya nggak ada semen kan?
Oh.
Dia pakai ini. Dia bilang cerita ini, 这个是换那个水里的，
Yeah, this the
能够
similar like it. Yeah. And this wall
啊
in winter keep warm and in summer makes the house cooler. Yeah. We call it 冬暖夏凉.
哈哈哈哈，那个是问好啊。
Yeah, this is no bad. You can see You see, this is a model of the dry grape well, a house. You see, they hanging the grapes like this.
Nah, warna gini.